So, hi students. Today I have a very beautiful story for you from 8th standard Unit 1 Prose Hobby Turns a Successful Career. So, see these pictures. What these children are doing? She is painting and is cooking, and she is planting, and she is cycling. So, these are all the hobbies of these children. So now students like you also have some hobbies, isn't it? So now we are going to see about hobby of some characters, some persons. Now see, first let me explain what is a hobby. A hobby is a regular activity done for enjoyment during one's free or spare time. ஸோ ஹாபின்றதுன்னா நம்மளோட ஸ்பேர் ஆர் ஃப்ரீ டைமில் நம்ம என்ஜாய்மெண்ட்டுக்காக நம்ம பண்ணுற ரெகுலர் ஆக்டிவிட்டி தான் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்கிறோம் ஹாபி. ஸோ எ ஹாபி இஸ் அ ரெகுலர் ஆக்டிவிட்டி டன் ஃபார் என்ஜாய்மெண்ட் டியூரிங் ஒன்ஸ் ஃப்ரீ ஆர் ஸ்பேர் டைம். ஸோ வாட் ஆர் ஆல் த பெனிஃபிட்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஹாபீஸ்? இட் இம்ப்ரூவ்ஸ் க்ரியேட்டிவிட்டி. நம்மளோட இமேஜினேஷன் பவரை இன்க்ரீஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு ஹாபீஸ் ரொம்பவே யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்குது. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு ரெடியூசர்ஸ் ஸ்ட்ரெஸ். மன அழுத்தத்தை குறைக்கிறதுல ஹாபீஸு is very useful. Helps your mental health. It helps to maintain your mental health. Improves your career. ஸோ கேரியர் in the sense அதை நீங்கள் பேஷனேட்டாக உங்களோட ஹாபீஸ் எடுத்துட்டீங்கன்னா அதுவே உங்களோட கேரியராக கூட ஆகிடலாம். ஸோ கேரியர் in the sense அதுவே உங்களோட வாழ்க்கையாக கூட நீங்கள் எடுத்துக்கலாம். ஸோ அதுவே உங்களோட ஜாபாக கூட நீங்கள் எடுத்துக்கலாம். So they let you and seek pleasure. So now in section 1 we are going to see about a boy whose name is Mani. So once there was a boy named Mani. He was studying at the school in his village. He found it difficult to read and write. So one boy is there. What is his name? His name is Mani. He was studying at the school in his village. So he is studying in his village. He found it difficult to read and write. So he is not at all interested. He has no interest to read and write. And it was noticed by his grandfather, and he helped him by reading bedtime stories. So gradually, slowly what happened? He started reading on his own. So gradually he started to reading some books, magazines, newspaper, like that. So gradually he started reading on his own. Now he has not only enjoyed reading but also has started writing his own stories. So now he enjoyed reading. Now he loves to read something. So not only he enjoyed, not only he loved, but also he has started writing his own stories. So now he has started his writings. So now let us read an essay written by Mani. So here we have given one essay which was written by Mani. So now hobbies are the activity that we do in our spare time. So this is the definition. So what is the definition of hobby? I already told you, hobbies are the activities that we do in our spare time. So in our spare time, what are all the activities we are doing? So that only comes under hobbies. Hobbies are unique to people. Unique means what? Uncommon. So hobbies are unique to people. It may vary from person to person. Some like gardening, a few like photography, many have book reading as their hobby, while other hobbies are swimming, stamp collection, playing video games, and many more. So here some hobbies are given. What are they? Gardening, photography, book reading, and then swimming, stamp collection, playing video games, and many more. So some hobbies are given here, and we have many more like this. watching TV, cooking, gardening, these are also comes under hobbies only. So people have hobbies not only to pass their free time. So we should not have a hobbies to only to pass our time, but also to do useful, something useful. So we should do something in a useful manner, in a beneficial. So hobbies help people learn new things. So hobbies help you to learn a new things, and it help you to relax yourself after a tiring day and to energize their body and mind. So it gives you energy to the body and mind. Same is the case with me. I love writing, so it is my hobby. So same is the case with me. So with me in the sense, what here me refers to this boy. So this boy, what is his name? Money. I love writing, so it is my hobby. So what is his hobby now? Writing. So whatever you like to do, make it as a hobby. Warren Buffett. So writing is a unique hobby because most people don't want to exhaust themselves in their spare time. So those who don't want to tired, so that students or that people adapt writing as their hobby. So many feel that writing is tough, but I do not think so. So many think that writing is tough. ஸோ நிறைய பேர் என்ன நினைக்கிறாங்கன்னா எழுதுறது கஷ்டம், நம்மளுக்கு வந்து வராது, நம்மளுக்கு வந்து யோசிக்க தெரியாதுன்னு நினைக்கிறாங்க. பட் இட் இஸ் நாட் லைக் தட். I feel writing is like painting our voice. ஸோ ஃபார் ஹிம், ஸோ மணிக்கு ரைட்டிங்னா என்ன மாதிரி ஒரு பெயிண்டிங் பண்ணுற மாதிரி, அவரோட வாய்ஸை வந்து அப்படியே அவர் மனசில் என்னென்ன தோணுதோ அதை அப்படியே பெயிண்டிங் பண்ணுற மாதிரி தான் அவரோட ஃபீலிங். When I get free time, I pick a pen and a notebook and start painting my ideas in words. ஸோ எப்பப்பெல்லாம் அவருக்கு ஃப்ரீ டைம் கிடைக்குதோ at that time he just take a pen and a notebook and he started to write whatever he has in his mind. He want to write that. I write stories, poems, sometimes about my feelings. So he writes stories, poems, and then sometimes about his feelings also. So what is his feelings? He want to express himself, so he want to write about his feelings also. My mind relaxes when I pour my thought as words. ஸோ எப்பெல்லாம் அவர் வந்து எழுதுகிறாரோ அப்போல்லாம் வந்து அவரோட மைண்ட் எப்படி இருக்குது? ரிலாக்ஸ்டாக இருக்குது. ஹீ ஃபீல்ஸ் வெரி ரிலாக்ஸ்டு. ஸோ ரைட்டிங் எனர்ஜைசஸ் மீ. ஸோ இட் கிவ்ஸ் எனர்ஜி. When I write things, my imagination is at its best. I imagine a world with a magic and magician. So when he started to write things, his imagination is at its best. ஸோ எப்பப்பெல்லாம் அவர் எழுதுகிறாரோ அப்போல்லாம் அவரோட இமேஜினேஷன் பவர் எப்படி இருக்குது? அட் இட்ஸ் பெஸ்ட். ஸோ அவரோட பெஸ்ட்டு திங்கு தான் கொடுக்கணுன்னு அவர் வந்து அந்தளவுக்கு யோசித்து he started to write. So when I write things, my imagination is at its best. I imagine a world with magic and magician. So whenever he starts to write something, he went into his imaginary world, imagination, where I can fly and birds can talk. Writing helps me completely immerse into the world. So you want to completely go into that world, imaginary world. So sometimes I sit with the small children and entertain them with these stories of mine. So sometimes you want to entertain a small children by telling a stories which was written by him. So the happiness of their faces make me to write more and better. So the happiness of their faces. ஸோ அந்த ஸ்டோரி சொல்ல சொல்ல அந்த சில்ட்ரன் மனசில் அவங்க முகத்தில் வர ஹாப்பினஸை பார்த்து யூ வாண்ட் டு ரைட் சம்திங் மோர் அண்ட் பெட்டர். Although writing is just a hobby for me, yet it is very beneficial. So for him, writing is not only his hobby, but also it is very beneficial. It opens his mind to think beyond the little thing with a broader mind. It makes me more passionate about my life. It make me learn new things and enjoy every moment of my life. So these are all the benefits he got from his hobby. So first it opens his mind and it started to think beyond the little things, and he is very passionate about his story, about his hobby, and it makes him learn a new things. So now writing is easy. All you have to do is crossing out the wrong words. Mark Twain. My hobby helped me in school too. When I started writing things, I was unable to describe them accurately. So, what happened? He started to write something, but what is his minus point? I was unable to describe them accurately, correctly. With time, my experiences helped me think of new ideas, and this made me a good writer. So, after some times, his experiences helped him to think new ideas, and that made him a good writer. Now, I look out for things which I was not able to see before. Hence, I can describe things better in my stories. So, whatever he want to express, now he has that thing in his writings. I feel no problems with writing English essays or stories, as it is my hobby. So I feel no problem with writing English essays. So now he has started to writing something. So he has writing English essays also. So English essays or stories, as it is my hobby. To become a better writer, I spend time on learning how to write in a different forms like fiction and not fiction. So now you know how to write. Now you want to differentiate fiction and non-fiction. ஸோ ஃபிக்ஷன்னா என்னது? ஸ்டோரிஸு, நாவல்ஸு இதெல்லாமே வந்து ஃபிக்ஷன்ஸில் வரும். நான் ஃபிக்ஷன்ஸ்னால் என்னதுன்னா இந்த பொயட்ரி, எஸ்ஏஸ் இதெல்லாமே எதில் வரும்னா நான் ஃபிக்ஷன்ஸில் வரும். ஸோ இட் இஸ் இம்பார்ட்டண்ட் டு ஆல்வேஸ் லேர்ன் அண்ட் இம்ப்ரூவ் அவர் ஹாபீஸ். ஸோ நம்மளோட ஹாபீஸை மட்டும் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணோம், இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்ணிகிட்டே இருக்கணும். ஸோ அப்போ தான் வந்து நம்மளோட ஹாபியும் நம்ம கூடவே வந்து இம்ப்ரூவ் ஆகும். Who knows, one day I could be writer like R.K. நாராயணன். ஸோ இதே மாதிரி நான் என்னோடய ஹாபீஸை நான் இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்ணேன்னா ஒரு நாள் நானும் வந்து R.K. நாராயணனா என்னால் ஆக முடியுன்ற நம்பிக்கையோட he has completed this essay. So now what is given in the do you know? The former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Mr. C.N. Annadurai, had the hobbies of reading and writing. So now here given hobbies of C.N. Annadurai. So who was the former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu? What is his hobby? Reading and writing. So he wrote many books, stories, plays, thought-provoking articles and cine dialogues. So he had written many books, stories, plays, தாட் ப்ரோவோக்கிங். ஸோ தாட் ப்ரோவோக்கிங்னா என்னத்தை தூண்டுற மாதிரி நிறைய ஆர்டிக்கல் அவர் எழுதியிருக்காரு. அண்ட் ஆல்சோ சினி டைலாக்ஸ்னால் மூவிஸில் கூட அவர் வந்து டைலாக்ஸ் எழுதியிருக்காரு. விச் ஹாவ் கான்ட்ரிபியூட்டட் டு ரீஃபர்மேஷன் ஆஃப் சொசைட்டி. ஸோ ரீஃபர்மேஷன் என்னதுன்னா ஒரு சமுதாயத்தை நல்வழிப்படுத்துகிற மாதிரியும் அவரோட ஆர்டிக்கல்ஸ் இருந்திருக்கு. So now see the glossary. Glossaries are given unique. So unique in the sense what? Distinctive, uncommon. I already told you, right? Unique, uncommon. Exhaust another tire out. Energizers, give energy. Passionate another intense, heartfelt. So ஒரு விஷயத்தை வந்து மனசார ஏற்று பண்ணுறது. Accurately, exactly, correctly. Fiction, imaginating writing, அதாவது நாவல்ஸு, ஸ்டோரிஸ் அதை சொன்னால அதை தான் வந்து ஃபிக்ஷனில் வரும். ஸோ நவ் read and understand. Say true or false. So what is the question given here? Mani's hobby is playing cricket. So what is the first question? Mani's hobby is playing cricket. Is this true or false? False, because his hobby is writing. Yes, hobbies are unique to people. This is true or false? It is true. People have hobbies only to time pass. No, it's false. So what is the answer for first one? Money's hobby is playing cricket. False. Hobbies are unique to people. True. People have hobbies only to pass time. False. So next, choose the correct answer. Money imagined a world with dash. Options: music and musician, buildings and sculptures, magic and magicians. Answer C, magic and magicians. So next, when Money started writing things, he was unable to dash. Options: describe them accurately, describe them fluently, describe them imaginatively. So answer என்ன? Yes, A. Describe them accurately. Money feels writing is like dash. Painting the voice, engraving the voice, designing the voice. Answer A. Painting the voice. Thank you for watching this.